So hello everyone, welcome to our weekly series where our students showcase their progress of having their names published in international journals. So today we have with us Deba Chandan, who has his paper titled Addressing Environmental Sustainability, Detecting Waste Contamination with Cutting Edge Technology. But before moving further, I would like to give you a small example of what at 360 digit MG we provide our students so that they would be successful. So this is the example. See, we have students A and a student 360. Student A has undergone his training in some AXYZ institute and student 360 at 360 digit MG. Now, both the students are undergoing trainings and completing their assignments and everything. Okay. Remember, friends, at 360 digit MG, all our trainers are real world practitioners. All are working at various different data science, AI related projects. Now, coming to our student at student A who is studying at XYZ Institute, after training, he is given the opportunity to work on dummy projects, which are available in Kaggle and GitHub. Okay. Now, our student at 360 digit MG is not only getting trained by real world practitioners, at the same time, he's also getting opportunities to work on real time projects, attempt daily scrum calls, and whatever projects that he's doing, right? It has to be end to end. And all the projects have to be deployed online, on premise, as well as on cloud. Now, he's also given the opportunity to attend client meetings. Not only that, the icing on the cake is he is given the opportunity to publish his paper on international journals. So keeping that in mind and try to answer this question. Now, what do you think? Which resume will get shortlisted for interview? Student A's resume or student 360's resume? There is no doubt, friends, right? Students 360 resume would be shortlisted because of so many skills he has gained studying at 360 digit MG. So a lot of benefits of studying at 360 digit MG, and will come you all to come over here and explore the data field. So today we have with us Deba Chandan. Let's see. How are you, Deba?
Yeah, I'm good, Vivian.
So could you just briefly explain about the project scope?
Yeah. So thank you, Vivian. Let me just tell you about this project. So basically, this project entailed uh, we are having this waste management facility where accurate identification and separation of non-biodegradable material and biodegradable material was ineffective. And this inefficiency was resulting in high contamination level, which affected the recycling stream, which increased processing cost, and it also obstructed effective waste reduction efforts. Now, for this project, our main objective was to minimize the contamination in waste streams, and few constraints that we saw was to minimize the environmental impact. We also saw that there was so our basically the waste was also affected by variability in the environmental conditions. Also, as per our computational requirement, we required a lot of computation power for this because we were working on images. For this project, we had set our business success criteria as to increase the rate of waste diversion from landfills by 20% due to better contamination identification. Our ML success criteria that we have kept was to achieve a minimum 90% of accuracy in identifying this non-biodegradable in biodegradable waste streams. And our economic success criteria was to achieve a minimum return on investment of 20% within first 2 years. So this was about the business scope.
Thank you, Deba. Now, this project is about waste management system, how to improve its effectiveness. And since the world, right, today we live in is facing a lot of problems with this management, I believe this is going to be not only good for the environment and also for the humankind too. So we have a project architecture. Take us through this project architecture and what all models you have used for it.
Yeah, so let me tell you about this. So the project architecture, we had started off with the understanding of the business use case. So the business use case was we had bins, waste bins, and we will capture an image from above of this waste bins. So we'll be only able to see the top part of the waste bins. And in this, we will find the contamination level. Contamination means what is the percentage of basically the non-biodegradable items in the biodegradable waste. So for this, we had collected some data which we collected from the internet. We had pushed this data. We had saved this data into S3 bucket. And this data again, we took and we had done image normalization, image resizing, some pre-processing, basic pre-processing. We had also done various augmentation that all fell under this data pre-processing task. Once the data was processed, we had applied multiple models on this like YOLO 8, YOLO 7, and Detectron 2, and many others. And we evaluated each of them. And from that, we got our best model. This best model we had deployed on AWS as well as locally using Streamlit. We had also placed monitoring and maintenance in this so that whenever we are having a data drift, we'll have a feedback loop which will tell us to maintain this basically the model again. And as here you can see, we are having different models, YOLO 8, YOLO 5, Detectron 2, SegFormer. So these four were the best models, and we can see the MAP scores. For YOLO 8, we got 87%. For YOLO 5, we got 82%. For Detectron 2, we got 92%. And for SegFormer, we got 89%. So out of this, Detectron 2 was the best one, and we had chosen this for our final deployment. Yeah, so this is basically the deployment output. So here we can see we are having a trash bin in which we are having multiple bottles. And this side, you can see the right-hand side image. It is detecting all these bottles as non-biodegradable. NBD means non-biodegradable. So basically how it measures the total area of non-biodegradable. Also, it calculates the total area of the bin, and it then finds out what is the percentage of this non-biodegradable in biodegradable. So here we can see it is 8% around. So
Okay,
this was
thank you,
the
Deba.
output. Yeah.
Thank you, Deba, for explaining the project so crisply. Now, going forward, I know that during the projects you might have faced some challenges. And how was your experience of facing the challenge? What all challenges that you face, and how do you tackle it?
Yeah, first challenge was getting the data. So we had to collect the data. We did not get any data from the client. So we had to collect the data ourselves. We got few data from the client, but it was not enough, basically. We collected the data. That was one. And finding the area, that was also a challenge because there is no predefined method for that. We had to create our own method to find the area of the masked array. So yeah, these were the problems that we faced and we had resolved during our project.
Wonderful, Deba. And now, finally, some words of encouragement or tips or suggestions that you could share with our students who are right now studying at 360 Digit MG, as well as for people or viewers who are watching.
Yeah, so I just want to tell that so even though like we had faced many difficulties and we kept on looking for it, we kept on researching, and with proper research we can achieve anything. And this project we can say is a testament for that, because we did not have any predefined methods and we had to build it from scratch. So I would just tell our viewers that you will have to keep a positive approach towards a project whenever you are working for it, and you will definitely crack it. Yeah, so that
Thank you, Deva. So, friends, the word is out. consistent and persistent effort would help you to be successful in whatever you do. So was his experience with working this project. Thank you, Deba. Wonderful talking
Yeah,
to
thank
you.
you, Vim.
And friends, other than this, we offer a lot of product services at 360 Digit EMG. And see, we provide trainings as well as you can see that we also help you to push your limits through real world projects and help you with the different project methodology phases. Not only that, we'll help you to learn Python, Power BI, uh, have you experience at different cloud platforms, SQL. So you'll also have, in addition to what Deva and others that we talk about daily, I mean weekly, about research papers. You get opportunities to have your names published in research papers. And there are many free tools that are available at 360 Digit MG website. And some of them are noted over here. So you have mind map, okay, which will help you to have a quick reference of your concepts, data science concept, Python concept, SQL concepts. A lot of conceptual mind maps available. And you also have this ML architecture assistant, which will help you to come up with your machine learning flow or machine learning architecture. And here, this just now recently launched Arrow Hub, Resume Optimization Hub. And over here, you can have your resumes as well as covering letters created. And other than this, we also have animated learning, where if you are want to visually see an animation of a particular topic that you are interested in, you can go to the animated learning page and get it clear. See, we have a lot of other tools other than this tool, like digital books, blogs, and many more things available at Visit MG so website. So please visit our website and explore these tools that are available for everyone. It's not only for 360 Visit MG students. It's available for everyone. And we have our offices at Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Chennai. Hyderabad being the head office. And we are also present in Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. So please do follow us on all these pages. And we have our certifications from Microsoft, Sunny, Future Sales Prime, Panasonic, and TCS IM. And that's about it, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.